ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng divorce naman sa annulment of marriage?
Yun pinagdebatehan naman ngayon. Dami na rito, anong pagkakaiba ng divorsyo sa legal separation? Same effect. Maging binata ka uli. Maging dalaga ka uli. So therefore, you have now the capacity to remarry. But anong pagkakaiba ng divorce sa legal separation? O sa divorce sa annulment of marriage? Ang legal separation, the grounds of legal separation, hindi yan present at the time of the celebration of marriage. Present yan after the celebration of marriage. Like for example, you're physically abused. You're sexually abused. Drug addict ang asawa mo. Habitual drunkard ang asawa mo. Sexual pervert ang asawa mo. Yung sexual pervert, mas masaya siya na makipagtalik sa aso kaysa sa'yo. Sexual pervert. So, ibig sabihin, yung grounds na yan, hindi present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Present yan after the celebration of marriage. Well, annulment of marriage, iba. Ang grounds na yan, present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. But, dahil nabulag ka sa pag-ibig, hindi mo alam ni asawa mo, may psychological problem pala. Nabulag ka sa pag-ibig. Another, yung asawa mo is physically incapable to consummate marriage. Hindi pala tumatayo ang flag ceremony. Ha? Wala.
So,
wala. So,
impotent pa rin.
Impotent. So, present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Kasi kung ang impotent, yung hindi kaya makipagtalik, kung present yan after the celebration of marriage, hindi yan annulment. Kailangan kasi in annulment, present yung grounds on the day of the celebration of marriage. So, ibig sabihin, yung asawa mo may pagkabuang, yung asawa mo may psychologically incapacitated, may fraud na nangyayari, may panuloko na nangyayari, kailangan present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage. Sa day sa kasal ninyo, present yung grounds na yan. Yun ang annulment. But, kung day of your kasal, perfect ang kasal. You in love one another. Mahal niyo isa't isa. Tapos, after 2 years, after 3 years, after 5 years, naging iba na ang asawa mo. Naging addict. Naging bakla. Naging tomboy. Mas gusto pala niya ang kapwa babae. Mas gusto pala niya ang kapwa lalaki. Naging physically abused ka. Sexually abused ka. Or infidelity. Nangangaliwa yung asawa mo. After 3 years, after 5 years, after 10 years. Yan. Grounds yan for divorce. Ibig sabihin, present yan after the celebration of marriage. Kasi pag present yan on the day of the celebration of marriage, hindi divorce yan. Annulment ang tawag doon.